Sandor is now returning for his salmon. He's put on his best behaviour actually, because he's not gobbled it all up in one go. He's taken 3 meals to eat this salmon. He's had to shoo off lots of other birds because salmon's a rarity around here. Oh, incidentally, last night when salmon was on the menu for Sandor, poor Mr. Turner had to make do with baked beans on toast because he'd had the best of the choice out of the kitchen's larder. Haven't you, Sandor? He's really spoilt. And Sandor is very pleased to get to know all the children in the school, and I'm sure he's going to become a very famous seagull, as he's going to have lots of support from school, and the children are going to look at his YouTube pictures. And Sandor says, thanks very much for making him so wanted and popular. He's had a great time making this video. Oh, incidentally, last night he said to me that he wants to be coming to visit me for a few more years yet, and that he's going to be very, very sad when I go on holiday, but he'll hang around until I come home. And the neighbours do verify that Sandor is very faithful, and he's a territorial bird. He knows this is his home. He's a very clever bird, you know, because when the bread is a bit dry, he'll take it to the pond just there, and here he goes into the pond for a drink. And in the garden there's 2 watering holes, so he's very well catered for here. He really likes the bread soaked in water before he eats it, and what he's really fond of, and he can't get enough of, is bread mixed with soup. He likes soup wrapped around bread. Now what he'll do now, he'll stay on that roof or any other roof, and he'll watch over the salmon, and he'll eat it when he's hungry, and in the meanwhile he'll shoo off all the other birds. Well, it's bye for now from Sandor. We'll be back for one more, as I keep saying, just one more.